Have you ever wondered how the sleek, powerful iPhone in your pocket comes to life? Behind the scenes, Apple's largest factory is a hub of cutting-edge technology and precision. Robots and humans work in perfect harmony to assemble millions of devices with incredible speed and accuracy. From crafting microchips to testing waterproofing, every step of the process is a marvel of engineering. Today, we're taking you inside this technological wonderland to explore how innovation and automation shake the iconic iPhone that has revolutionized the world. The scale of Apple's largest factory. Stepping into the colossal expanse of Apple's Zhengzhou factory is akin to entering a parallel universe where the scale of operations is simply staggering. Sprawling over an astonishing 1.4 square miles, this mega-complex is a fully functional city in its own right, complete with dormitories, grocery stores, and even a hospital to cater to the needs of its nearly 300,000 workers during peak production periods. The sheer magnitude of this facility is almost incomprehensible, as it churns out an astounding 500,000 iPhones per day, a rate that translates to roughly one iPhone every 12 seconds. Powering this astronomical output is a production line that operates with military-like precision, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to meet the insatiable global demand for Apple's flagship devices. While advanced robotics handle over 70% of the assembly tasks, from micro-soldering to precision adhesive application, the human element remains crucial, especially when it comes to quality control and the fine-tuning of complex processes. From components to masterpieces. Before an iPhone can begin its transformation into a sleek, functional device, its key components must first be sourced from a global network of specialized suppliers. Apple's A-series processors, the beating heart of its smartphones, are crafted in Taiwan by the semiconductor giant TSMC, while the displays are provided by industry leaders like Samsung and LG. Camera modules, meanwhile, are produced by specialized manufacturers in Japan, each bringing their own unique expertise to the table. Once these disparate parts arrive at the Zhengzhou facility, the true journey begins. Every single component undergoes a rigorous quality inspection process, with robots equipped with machine learning algorithms meticulously scanning for even the slightest of defects. The assembly process itself starts with the installation of the motherboard, a delicate operation performed by laser-guided robots that solder the processors, memory modules, and power chips with micron-level precision. The role of robotics. Robotic systems are the unsung heroes of Apple's production line, performing tasks that would be virtually impossible for human hands to execute with the same level of speed, precision, and consistency. Take, for instance, the installation of the motherboard, a critical step in the iPhone's transformation. Robots equipped with advanced sensors and laser-guided systems solder the components onto the circuit board with micron-level accuracy, ensuring that every connection is secure and perfectly aligned. But the robot's contributions extend far beyond mere assembly, as they also play a crucial role in conducting stress tests on the microchips, subjecting them to a barrage of environmental conditions to ensure optimal performance. When it comes to the assembly of the device's outer casing, the robots truly shine, utilizing cutting-edge tools and techniques to cut, grind, and polish the aluminum or glass with unparalleled precision, imbuing each iPhone with the signature Apple finish that has become synonymous with quality. Human expertise. While the role of robotics in Apple's iPhone production line is undoubtedly impressive, the human element remains an integral and irreplaceable component of the process. Skilled workers perform a range of intricate tasks that require dexterity, problem-solving skills, and a keen eye for detail, qualities that even the most advanced machines have yet to fully replicate. From the delicate alignment of connectors to the meticulous assembly of tiny components like cameras and vibration motors, these individuals bring a level of judgment and care that simply cannot be matched by automated systems. Perhaps the most crucial human contribution, however, lies in the realm of quality control. No matter how advanced the robots may be, the trained iron hands of skilled technicians are essential for meticulously inspecting each and every iPhone, ensuring that no flaws or defects slip through the cracks, testing to perfection. Once an iPhone has been assembled and deemed fit for release, it must undergo a gauntlet of rigorous testing to ensure it meets Apple's exacting standards. Robots play a significant role in this phase, leveraging their precision and speed to conduct a wide array of functional checks, from verifying the responsiveness of the touchscreen to assessing the quality of the camera under various lighting conditions. The devices also undergo a thorough waterproofing test, with robots placing them in specialized vacuum chambers filled with water to detect even the slightest of leaks. Battery performance, speaker quality, and sensor accuracy are all scrutinized in meticulous detail, with the goal of simulating real-world usage scenarios to guarantee that every iPhone functions flawlessly in the hands of its future owner. Packaging. As the iPhones emerge from the rigorous testing phase, they embark on the final leg of their journey, the packaging process. This stage 2 is a marvel of efficiency and precision, with robots orchestrating an intricate dance to carefully place each device into its respective box, alongside the necessary accessories like charging cables and instructional manuals. The packaging is then sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment, all while maintaining the same level of care and attention to detail that has defined every preceding step. The sheer scale of this packaging operation is staggering, with robotic systems working in perfect harmony to package thousands of iPhones per hour. Yet even at this final stage, the human element remains crucial, as workers perform final checks to ensure that every detail is in order before the devices are cleared for global distribution. Logistics and global distribution. Once the iPhones have been carefully packaged, they begin their global journey to reach the eager hands of consumers worldwide. Apple's logistics network is a marvel of modern engineering, designed with speed, efficiency, and precision in mind. Utilizing a combination of air freight and regional distribution centers, the company ensures that its flagship devices arrive at their destinations quickly and in pristine condition. The scale of this logistical operation is truly breathtaking, with millions of iPhones being transported across the globe on a weekly basis. From the moment the devices leave the Zhengzhou factory to the instant they're unboxed by customers, Apple's logistics team works tirelessly to maintain the seamless flow of its products, minimizing delays and guaranteeing that the excitement of a new iPhone purchase is not dampened by the realities of global supply chains. Sustainability at the heart of production. Apple's commitment to sustainability is woven into the very fabric of its manufacturing operations, with the company's Zhengzhou factory serving as a shining example of its environmental stewardship. Renewable energy in the form of solar panels and wind turbines powers a significant portion of the facility's electricity needs, reducing its carbon footprint and aligning with the company's broader goal of achieving carbon neutrality across its entire supply chain by 2030. The robots themselves are designed with sustainability in mind, utilizing materials and production methods that minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Even the packaging used to ship the iPhones is crafted from recycled materials, further underscoring Apple's dedication to reducing its environmental impact. The future of iPhone production. As technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, the processes that govern the production of Apple's iPhones are also poised for rapid transformation. The company is constantly innovating and refining its manufacturing methods, incorporating cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning to make its factories even more efficient and precise. The potential future of iPhone production may very well include fully autonomous assembly lines, where robots handle every aspect of the process from start to finish, from component installation to packaging and logistics. While this shift may reduce the need for human labor in certain areas, it will also create new opportunities in fields such as robotics maintenance and AI development, as the company seeks to harness the power of these technologies to push the boundaries of what is possible. Why Apple's factories are a benchmark for excellence. Apple's Zhengzhou factory is more than just a production facility. It is a benchmark for excellence in the world of modern manufacturing. The seamless integration of advanced robotics and human expertise, coupled with the company's steadfast commitment to sustainability and efficiency, sets this facility apart from its competitors and serves as a shining example of what can be achieved when technology and craftsmanship coexist in perfect harmony. Every aspect of the iPhone production process, from the meticulous inspection of components to the final packaging and global distribution, is a reflection of Apple's core values: precision, innovation, and an uncompromising dedication to quality. Apple's largest factory in Zhengzhou is a microcosm of the relentless pursuit of perfection that defines the company's approach to technology. Within its sprawling confines, a symphony of cutting-edge robotics and skilled human hands come together to bring the iPhone, a device that has become an integral part of our lives, to life. From the sourcing of its global components to the final delivery in the hands of eager consumers, every step in this extraordinary journey is a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of sustainability, and the unparalleled dedication to excellence. If you found this behind-the-scenes look as fascinating as we did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.